Hey guys, welcome to question MM411 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now we've got this probability density function of a continuous random variable x, which is f of x equals 1 on 6x from 2 to 4 and 0 elsewhere. So we're tasked to find the probability that x is greater than 3, and we don't have a calculator here, so we're going to need to use our brains. Now, the biggest thing here is that the probability in a continuous density function is the area under the graph. Okay, so what we're looking for is the area from 3 onwards, right? So we're looking for the area, which is equal to the probability that x is greater than 3, and this is equal to the area under the graph, which we use our integral for, right? So we're looking for greater than 3, which means that our lower bound is 3, and our upper bound is the natural upper bound of our function, which is 4. So from 3 to 4 of 1 on 6 x dx. Sweet. So now we can just antiderive this as normal. So 1 on 6x antiderives to x squared over 12. And we're going from 3 to 4. This is our first mark. This is a 2-mark question all up. So from here we can actually just sub in this normally. So we sub in our 4, so we get 4 squared on 12. Then we minus subbing in our 3. 3 squared on 12. 16 on 12 minus 9 on 12 gives us 7 on 12. This is our second mark. And that's it. So the probability that x is greater than 3 is equal to 7 on 12. If you have any questions about it, let me know. But for now, let's move on to part B. Now part B, this time actually gives us our area, and we need to find the interval that we're looking at it for. So this is B, 2 marks, and it says if probability of x is less than or equal to b equals 2 on 3, find b. Okay. Now, the important thing to know is that this 2 on 3 is our probability, which is also our area. Okay, so this is the area from less than b, right? So if we're looking at everything less than b, that means that our upper bound is b, because it's everything less than that, and then our natural lower bound is 2, because that's the lower bound of our function of 1 on 6 x dx, right? But we actually know what our area is. We know that this probability is 2 on 3. So we can say that 2 on 3 is equal to this, right? So now we actually just need to solve for b. So let's say that 2 on 3 equals our integral, because we can now integrate this. So the integral of 1 on 6x is x squared on 12. And we're going from 2 to b. Awesome. So now we can sub in our b, so we get b squared over 12 minus 2 squared over 12. That's equal to 2 on 3. So now we can say that b squared on 12 is minus 2 squared is 4. 4 on 12 is 1 on 3. 2 on 3 there. And then we can actually add 1 on 3 to both sides. This equals 1 b squared on 12. So then 12 equals b squared. I'm just going to come back over here. So if 12 equals b squared, that means that b is equal to plus minus the square root of 12. Now we can simplify this surd into 2 root 3. But because b has to be between 2 and 4, b equals positive 2 root 3. Now our first mark comes here when we integrate that and sub everything in, and our second mark comes when we give our proper answer for b. So that is it for that. B equals 2 root 3. That actually wraps up MM411. So guys, if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer anything. But otherwise, for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.